Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay with Revolut Junior on your phone. Revolut Junior is a popular digital banking service designed for children and teenagers, allowing them to manage their money and make payments safely and securely. To get started, ensure you have a Revolut Junior account and the Revolut app installed on your phone. If you are a parent or guardian, you will need to have a Revolut account to manage and oversee your child's Revolut Junior account. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in to your Revolut Junior account using your username and password. If you have not set up a password, you will need to do so by following the in-app instructions. Once logged in, you will see your account dashboard, which displays your current balance and recent transactions. To make a payment, tap on the Pay button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Next, enter the recipient's details, including their name and account number or phone number. You can also select from your contacts or scan a QR code to make a payment. After entering the recipient's details, choose the payment method and select the amount you want to pay. You can also add a description to the payment for your records. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you are happy with the payment, tap Confirm to proceed. The payment will be processed immediately, and the recipient will receive the funds in their account. As a best practice, always keep your phone and Revolut app up to date, and use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your account. Additionally, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Revolut's customer support team. In conclusion, paying with Revolut Junior on your phone is a straightforward process that requires you to log in to your account, enter the recipient's details, choose the payment method, and confirm the payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can manage your money and make payments safely and securely using Revolut Junior.